Hi, my name is Jeff Del Rosa. I'm with ProMAXX now by Milton. I want to show you something brand new today that we have invented to help you, diesel technicians, get these compression injector seals out of the cylinder head without dropping it into the valve cover. You all know, you've done it, you've been there, and you know how much time it takes. If you drop that little copper seal inside there and you lose it, you're looking at 4 to 6 hours to pull that entire valve cover off, put it back on to retrieve that little nickel size copper seal. We're going to show you how we're not going to spend all that time, we're not going to waste your energy, we're going to make that happen real quick and get that seal out safely and securely. This new injector seal puller drops right in the valve cover. All I do is I turn it a couple times by hand and then we can lift this seal right out. It's that fast. Now, to make matters better, we give you a new seal saver. What this does, if we use an injector puller of some form now, or we're using our new one, what this will do is prevent that seal from dropping into the valve cover, elongating your repair time. Super fast, super easy, just terrific. Made right here in Pittsburgh by ProMAXX. Take a look at our website at promaxxtool.com. Thank you.